it's Laura Keller from the Laura Keller Real Estate Team and RE/MAX Affiliates. Today we're at 90 Kinmount Private in beautiful Tweedsmuir on the Park. This is an incredible 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with a 2-car garage, a huge backyard, I think it's the biggest in the neighborhood, and lots of amenities with the clubhouse, the tennis court, and the pool. I can't wait to show you inside, so let's go check it out. The main floor layout is fabulous. Not only do you have this open concept living dining room with cathedral ceilings, you've got your kitchen right at the front of the house. This patio door leads to the backyard, and let's go check it out. It is gorgeous. Not only do you have this great clubhouse where you can have poker nights, knitting club, or any number of activities, you've got this incredible tennis court and pickleball court, plus a beautiful outdoor pool. Your backyard is incredible. You've got this huge deck covered in a recyclable, durable rubber and beautiful glass railings just so that you can see your beautiful backyard. You've got a sprinkler system back here and it's so private. I love listening to the birds sing back here. Thank you so much for coming to 90 Kinmount Private, and we'll see you soon. Bye.